Raman Gill. Welcome to episode 59 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a bearish pennant. Pennants are one of those things where price coils into levels and it just keeps on coiling till it has to break out in one direction or the other. These moves after the pennant breaks are usually substantial, and as a result, they are very good moves to trade. So let's go take a look at the charts, and we will look at where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and as always, where to take our profits.
Today we're looking at the bearish pennant. Bearish pennant is a continuation move to the downside. In this case, we have price that dropped here and then price started to consolidate at the bottom. And this is what the bearish pennant looks like. We have price steadily moving to the downside and it just holds above this level but stays at the bottom, and we would normally get this sloping line here, and then we may either have the flat line at the bottom or it could also curve slightly upwards. But the important thing to remember is that price has dropped and then it's sitting at the bottom, it's consolidated at the bottom, and we are looking for price to move to the downside again, do another push to the downside. So in this case, once the price breaks through this bottom line and it comes and tests and stays below this line, that's the place to enter the trade. So in this case, we will wait for this bearish engulfing candle, and once this candle closes very strong, we can enter the trade short here. Our stop loss would go above here, making sure we give the trade enough room to breathe, and then we would stay in this trade till we see this reversal pattern. As you can see here, price has stayed at this level for many hours now. This is pound US dollar hourly chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours price has spent here, and it looks like it wants to reject the bottom because we are seeing multiple pins to the downside. So this is an indication that price may not be willing to move any lower. So once we see this, we can exit our trade. From entry to exit here, we have 120 pips in the trade. So our profit is 120 pips or $1,200 if you're trading one standard lot. So just to recap, bearish pennant is a bearish trade signal. We are looking for a move to the downside. In this case, we would get a move to the downside first, then the price consolidates at the bottom, and we are looking for a break to the downside. Once we get a solid candle close, we get to enter our trade here, a short trade. Our stop goes up here and we stay in the trade till we get some sort of a reversal pattern, which we see multiple pins here, and looks like price is wanting to reject at this level. So we exit the trade, and from entry to exit, 120 pips in the trade or $1,200 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure sharing these trade setups with you. If you like this episode, please like, share, and subscribe below. As always, I will be back with another great setup in the next episode.